Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. Today I decided to film on how I prepare or prep my garlic bulbs for planting. It's the beginning of January and last year's garlic bulbs, I'll show you right now, are already growing up. This is garlic, elephant garlic, and it's I think January 8th, or regardless, this isn't really supposed to be happening, but we had a little bit of a warmer winter than usual. I mean, this is just baby papayas and they're not really even struggling that much with frost on them. So I have to get the garlic in now. I had some put in October, like you saw right there, but I'm going to put in some more since it's a little bit warmer. It does well for a spring harvest or a early summer harvest of garlic where I'm at in Zone 9B, Central California. So right here I have 3 different types of garlic: elephant garlic, another softneck variety garlic, and I have early Italian garlic in those bags. So I separated them, make sure they're separated in this vat that I made. Now these garlics have been soaking in for about 24 hours now. It's water, fish emulsion, seaweed extract or kelp extract, and powdered sulfur. That's why it looks a little bit milky. The sulfur helps with pest issues or fungal issues. Hopefully will help with it. And you know, garlics have sulfur compounds in them, and this is another way to help ensure that they got enough sulfur before I plant them in the ground so they can take that in when they make a new bulb. And right when I was filming, I heard the mail truck, and here are my other garlics that I ordered and came right on time. Some more early Italian purple, beautiful variety, tastes amazing. Just look at that color. So now time to make more and more of these. Some have already sprouted. So there's the elephant garlic, really large, more related to leeks, but still they have a mild flavor. So if you like a mild garlic and not really a strong, pungent flavored one, this is perfect. How I like to plant it is I like to dig about 2 inches down, not too deep. And I like to plant them about 4 to 6 inches apart. I chose about 4 inches this year. I'm planning on selling garlic here in California only next year. So I'm planting as much as I can, and I'm trying my best to grow the biggest and tastiest bulbs I can create. I made it a challenge to myself to grow the biggest and or tastiest garlic I can over the years, growing and saving seeds, much like I did with my parsleys. Like the parsleys I have, like the leaves are as big as my hand. I'll put the video link in the video right now so you can see that video of the parsley that's giant that I save seeds for every year. They get bigger and bigger and sweeter. So hopefully with the garlic I could do that as well and start selling some garlic next year, maybe even this year, I don't know. Then what I do is I cover it with the mulch that I put down and the fertilizers that are in that mulch as well, just like this side. And in about probably 2 weeks here in Central California, in 2 weeks, February 1st, you're going to start green sprouting out. It's already happening to some of my garlic from last year, so I'm assuming in about 2 weeks these are going to be popping up out of the ground. Now I've already planted, as you can see, I took out all the weeds. Garlic does not like any weed competition. And I'm going to maintain it like this as well, because they really suffer if they have a lot of weeds around them. But I've already planted a whole bunch of elephant garlic. What I do when I plant is I put some type of organic fertilizer. I put mycorrhizal powder, and I also put gypsum, which has calcium and sulfur, so that's going to help the bulb grow nice and strong and help loosen the soil. It's about 3 to 4 inches of wood chips in this area, and I also put an organic garden soil, a lot of forest material. Happy gardening, everyone.